Hello, hello, Sagittarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for June 16 hanggang June 22. So Sagittarius, kung naman lang makaresonate ka ha, and leave the rest. Yung pong iba impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Sagittarius. Yun, kaya relax ka lang, enjoy our reading for today, and use your intuition para makuha mo talaga yung akmang-akmang message sa kalob sa'yo ng yung spirit guide sa ating reading for today. So Sagittarius, meron tayong bonus question later ha, at the end of our reading. Bibigyan ko kayo ng one bonus question. Ano yung tanong mo na gusto mo masagot? Sasagutin natin yan with the help of a 2 tarot card and 2 angel whisper card. So itanong mo na yan later at the end of our reading. So wag kang aalis and stay tuned for that. So Sagittarius, thank you again for not skipping the ads ha. Saka po sa mga nagdo-donate sa ating channel every time po na meron tayong reading for Sagittarius dito sa ating channel. So thank you again for your support and for not skipping the ads. So Sagittarius, ano ang naghihintay sa inyo ngayon June 16 to 22? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading you have the 10 of Wands. In the area of what you want, the 3 of Cups. In the area of what you need, you have the 9 of Pentacles. Beautiful. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the King of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the 6 of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your challenge this week, meron kang King of Swords. In the area of your fortune, meron kang 4 of Wands. Celebration about something, reaching that milestone. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, you have the 7 of Cups. Lovely, lovely, lovely. At ang outcome mo this week, Sagittarius, ano kaya ito? Pag-usapan natin later. Sabay-sabay natin siyang bubuksan. So bago natin basahin kada card, kada klarong-klaro and detalyadong reading, ano mo na yung lingering energy mo in your background na mga gamit mo for the whole week, okay? You have 8 of Wands. Asahan mo daw this week that your extra focus on something is here. I'm hearing you're required and also mag-expect ka daw this time ng good news because Sagittarius, the 8 of Wands is a good news after good news after good news. There is something, a very quick movement. Meron daw magaganap this time na napakabilis sa buhay mo because 8 of Wands a quick fashion to quick movement, napakabilis. So asahan mo ang development ng isang bagay ngayon. Asahan mo ang mabilis na resulta for something, mabilis na sagot o mabilis na tawag. May darating na parang mabilis na parang tugon sa isang bagay. So 8 of Wands also is a card of travel. Meron sa inyo ang magka-travel this week. Probably for vacation o balik probinsya o balik syudad because balik na sa school ang mga bagets. So parang this time around may mga traveling in your part this time that will give you an opportunity for something good. May good news kang aabangan sa travel na ito ngayong linggong ito, okay? Sinasabi rin ng spirit guides na may mga bagay daw na hindi mo na kailangan pang patagalin. Especially with the 8 of Wands here. Merong mga aksyon o may mga desisyon na kinakailangan mo agad ibigay ang yung desisyon. Probably because hindi makapaghintay yung other end o may deadline ka this week. So ngayon, ito yung linggo talagang mabilis na darating ang bagay-bagay. There's a quick movement about something. So ngayon, dapat talaga magkaroon ka ng maraming recharge in your part. Rest if you must because ang paparting na linggo ay napakabilis. There's a lot of improvement, a lot of development, a lot of good news coming to you. Talagang overwhelming ito ha. Nakita ko yung parang nasa ilalim kasi puro confetti, puro iba't ibang bagay ang hahawakan mo this time na ikaw mismo ay mapapagod ka o malilito ka kung anong dapat unahin because there are a lot of things talaga na paparating para sa'yo, Sagittarius. Napakagandang paunang mensahe sa'yo in your background with the 8 of Wands. So pag-usapan natin ang yung spread this week. But first, ilan ang yung major arcana, Sagittarius? Wala kang major arcana this time. Meaning, ang mga bagay na to, dadaan lang, lalagpas. So, wala kang dapat alalahanin. Walang bigger struggle, walang bigger energy na kailangan mong lagpasan o kailangan mong asikasuhin o kailangan mong maramdaman. Everything is fleeting, everything is okay. Napakaganda ng linggong ito for you. Kaya dapat tayo magdiwang. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, may mga darating sa'yo na parang mabilis because everything is quick fashion here. So congratulations para sa'yo, Sagittarius. Okay? May mga problems pero temporary lang. Hindi siya ganun kalaking bagay na kailangan mo lagpasan. Okay? Very, very good beginning in your spread. So pag-usapan na natin ang iyong reading for this week, June 16 to 22 at the center in your core, you have the 10 of Wands. Yes, pagod na pagod ka na. This is a card of hard work, card of really putting all of the burden in your back. Marami kang responsibility, marami kang binubuno o hinihintay na matapos para lang magkaroon ka ay either a good result ang hinihintay mo from all of this hard work. Ang ngayon pagod na pagod ka na, hindi mo alam kung kailan matatapos, hindi mo alam kung paano gagaan. But this time I'm hearing there's a realization in your part na parang dapat magaan lang. Dapat meron ka ng bagay na binibitawan, meron ka namang responsibility na dapat mo nang iatang to other people na hindi mo na dapat cargo ito. For some, na parang ngayon, nililinis mo na, especially here with the 8 of Wands. Meron kang gustong maabot meron kang gustong pagfokusan at hindi mo siya magawa because ang daming mga dapat asikasuhin, ang daming mga bills, ang daming responsibilities and duties na ikaw mismo all at once ang humahawak. Kaya hindi ka makapag-focus sa bagay na gusto mong pag-focusan this week. So sabi ni Spirit Guides, you need to let go something in your life na hindi na ganon ka-importanteng dapat mong panghawakan. Baka mamaya may mga responsibility ka na dapat mo nang ibigay sa iba o dapat mo nang ituon sa iba and just focus on something na kailangan mo this week, okay? Because I'm hearing malapit ka na sa finish line pero hindi ka makaabot-abot because you're also tending to a lot of things. Marami kang inaasikaso. And you just need now to focus on one. Especially here with the 8 of Wands card telling you need to focus on one thing first para ma-accomplish mo siya. Okay? You've been waiting a lot. You've been waiting for so long because meron kang tinutumbok sigurong bayarang ganto, hulugang ganyan, ma-accomplish yung ganyan. So hindi ka makaabot-abot doon dahil nga marami kang inaasikaso. So sabi ni Spirit Guides, you need to talk to someone na talagang nakakaalam din sa pinagdadaanan mo, someone that is really valuable in your life that will give you a sound and better solution or better advice na parang kailangan mo lang ng taong magbibigyan o may hingahan ng iyong problema, ng iyong damdamin so that medyo gumaan ang pakiramdam mo about something. Medyo ramdam ko yung bigat in your part that you can't let go of something because parang feeling mo no one understands you o walang nakakaunawa sa pinagdaraanan mo this time. And it's sobrang bearing na siya, overbearing na siya in your part. And you just want to relax. Gusto mo sanang ma-relieve sa pain, ma-relieve sa burden, ma-relieve sa hardship na to. Parang ito na yung rurok din for you of the pain. Parang for the past few months, wala kang pambayad sa ganito. Sobra-sobra na yung problema sa ganyan. Gusto mo sana mag-focus sa isang bagay na importante sa'yo, pero hindi mo siya mapahalagahan dahil ang dami mong responsibility with other people. You just want to be happy. You just want to makaalpas na sa problema na ito. Pero parang there's lingering pa rin of a problem here because parang hindi mo kayang bitawan yung iba. You really need to let go of other things na hawak-hawak mo para makapag-focus ka sa main problem at masolusyonan siya agad-agad. Okay? The 10 of Wands being clarified by the King of Cups. Yes, it's all about your emotions, all about your heart. May mga bagay talaga na dapat parang yes, you just want to have a peaceful life. Sobrang gulo na With the King of Cups here, your emotions, your heart. Kailangan mo talaga to ng heart-to-heart talk, Sagittarius. King of Cups is someone talagang nakaunawa sa iyo, magbibigay sa iyo ng right solution, magbibigay sa iyo ng talagang comfort, ganyan, because talagang ramdam din niya ng taong ito yung mga bigat na dinadala mo. Kailangan mo tong ilabas, Sagittarius. Punong-puno na yung cup mo, punong-puno na yung emotion mo. Very turbulent na rin yung nararamdaman mo. Parang hindi mo na kayang sarilinin ang lahat. Ngayon, you need someone to really take care of you or to really listen, kahit listen man lang sa mga pinagdadaanan mo para gumaan-gaan ito. Nakikita ko rito na once you have a conversation with this person, mabibigyan ka niya ng parang clear path or clear direction or clear payo para mapag-focus ka na sa tamang direction because 8 of Wands is a clear path. Malinis tong daan, malinis na ruta, malinis na direction towards something that is valuable for you. Ngayon hindi mo siya makita because ang dami mong daladala, ang dami mong burden. At makikita mo lang daw tong clear path na to once you talk to this person. Either this is a boss or a co-worker, a friend, a lover, or your parents, your siblings, someone that truly gives you a sound advice. Parang ayaw nga no, dapat kung ito na lang pagtuunan ko, ito na lang asikasuhin ko, ito na lang gawin ko more than this thing na nagpapabigat sa'yo. Kailangan na siyang gumaan this time. Okay, Sagittarius? In the area of what you want, you have the 3 of Cups here. 3 of Cups telling you, yes, you want to celebrate life. Gusto mo na mag-relax. I don't know why for a very long time, you're very hardworking. You're choosing to just do your work more than mag-relax or more than to go out with friends, with family. Meron ka nang hinihintay ngayon na parang please ibigay na to para maging magaan na lahat, para maging maayos ang lahat. For some of you, parang for a very long time, you are parang hinihindian mo yung isang okasyon o isang party o isang reunion o isang parang kasiyahan, parang you don't want to go there because feeling mo hindi ka pwede magpahinga o feeling mo you just need to work on this thing. Parang sobrang kayod mo na nga, hindi mo na bibigyan ng panahon yung sarili mo magsaya o mag-have fun o mag-relax o magbakasyon. Ito yung time for you to really have fun muna, Sagittarius. Before you harvest a lot of things, kailangan prepared ang katawan mo in doing things. You can't just go on live just doing a lot of things na napapagod ka na, nauupos ka na. Learn to have fun then, Sagittarius. And I'm hearing this is the right time for you. For others, I'm hearing this also a time for harvest. May mga bagay na parang kukubrahin mo na this time, especially here, nasa tamang direksyon ka na. Like I've said, meron kang good news na makukuha this time. So this is also a card of harvesting, celebration for something na makakamit mo this week. But nakikita ko dito na you have to let go, you have to let loose. Hindi ka pwedeng laging seryoso o nakakunot yung noo mo or your teeth are grinding. Parang laging makadikit at laging parang gigil na gigil yung teeth mo, yung jaw mo because gigil na gigil ka to accomplish something in your life. Ngayon, parang you have to let loose. Okay, Sagittarius, let loose, just relax, and the celebration about something ipaparating na. Like narinig ko, malapit na daw matapos itong hardship na ito. Nasa 10 ka na 10 of 1 sa to. Sabihin, patapos na yung hardship and celebration is near. I'm hearing na parang may hinihintay ka na lang na sagot or tawag or confirmation for someone na okay na, tapos na, aprobado na ito, okay na to. Every part na parang pinagugulan mo na mahabang panahon. Last time, may inaasahan kang celebration may inaasahan kang either a good confirmation or parang tawag. May ina-anticipate ka this time At yung ina-anticipate mo na yon, talaga mag-celebrate ka with you and your family. Okay? The Three of Cups being clarified by the Queen of Cups. Yes, your heart, your happiness. Dito nakatuon. Parang feeling ko, this is like a satisfaction coming in your life. Parang ito na lang hinihintay mo na dumating. Ito na lang yung bagay na parang please, ibigay na sa akin. Padireksyon na ako, nag-focus ka dyan. Alam mo na ito yung clear path mo moving forward. Halimbawa, you're just waiting for a civil service exam announcement. Ito yung magbibigay sa'yo na parang punong-puno yung cup mo, punong-puno yung puso mo na kapag nakapasa ka dyan at narinig mo yung good news, talagang celebration ito at patungo ka na sa clear path because meron ka ng licensure na pangahawakan, nakakakuha ka na ng better job. So talagang clear direction ito for you. For some, nakita ko na may hinihintay kang job approval o kaya call from someone na parang yun na yung magbibigay sa'yo ng tuldok and solidifying confirmation na sa'yo na yung trabaho na yan. Clear na ang path mo moving forward. And talagang celebratory ito. Tuwang-tuwa ang puso mo. You're putting your all heart here. Talagang feeling ko, this will make you so happy and so satisfied with everything that you're trying to do this time. Parang narinig ko, konting hintay na lang, konting tiis na lang. But for now, in the area of what you need, you have the Nine of Pentacles here. For now, you just have to appreciate what you have. Okay? Habang hinihintay mo yung katapusan ng paghihirap na to, habang hinihintay mo yung celebration na ito, dulot ng isang good news this time, kailangan mo daw maging satisfied ka muna with what you have this time. Your family, your friends, your job, your transformation, the transportation, going to work, na parang ngayon, okay, walang traffic, i-celebrate mo yan. With the Nine of Pentacles here, it's all about gratitude. Ito daw ang kailangan mo this time, Sagittarius. Enjoy while it's here. Enjoy what you have. I understand that you're trying to achieve something better, something bigger, a better goal, a bigger life, a bigger job, a better money, a financial independence, a financial stability for your life. Pero sa ngayon, with the use of Nine of Pentacles here, you need to really appreciate what you have. Something, kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, yan yung mga dinasal mo lang 5 years ago. So, that is a proof that God is giving you something sa buhay mo na hindi mo lang masyado napapansin this time because you're very busy acquiring better things. No? So ngayon, a time for great gratitude, a time for thankfulness, a time for appreciating what you have. Pag na-appreciate mo daw yung meron ka ngayon, it will give you the fuel to achieve more. Kasi alam mong nagwo-work, alam mong nabibigay sa'yo, alam mong pinagkakaloob sa'yo ni God, yung mga bagay na dinasal mo before. So if you appreciate what you have now, there's a tendency to be given to you bigger and better things in the future. So just appreciate, enjoy. And also, parang ito yung pagkakataon daw, this time for other Sagittarius, to think first your own money, your own material wealth, okay? Para hindi ka rin umaasa sa iba. Malaking importance daw yun, malaking difference daw yun in your life if you have your own money, if you have your own ipon, if you have your own life, para hindi ka nakadepende sa iba, para mag-enjoy ka kahit mag-isa ka lang. This is a very independent card. So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, ito yung pagkakataon para sa'yo na maging independent ka moving forward. Okay? The Nine of Pentacles being clarified by the Chariot card. Yes, aabante ang lahat once you figure out your money, once you figure out your own life, your own independence. Nakita ko dito na marami kang gustong gawin. Marami kang gustong tumbukin, marami kang gustong puntahan, pero mangyayari lang daw yon once you feel satisfied with what you have now. Okay? Kasi parang you're just aiming high. Marami kang gustong tumbukin, marami kang gustong abutin. You're very, very focused and driven sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Pero dapat daw na-appreciate mo din yung journey. Because once you don't, madali kang bibitaw sa journey nito. Madali kang panghinaan ng loob o madali kang madidistract. Mawawalan ka daw ng focus. So make sure that you are a very, very appreciative person this time. Ano yung halaga ng gusto mong tumbukin? Ano yung halaga ng gusto mong puntahan? Tong goal mo na to with a chariot, yung pupuntahan mo, yung gusto mong abutin. Ano yung halaga nun sa life mo ngayon? Kapag daw natimbang mo yung bagay na yan, at meron kang appreciative heart, appreciative mind, I feel like everything will go smoothly for you. Madali mong mahanap o madali kang masasatisfy sa gagawin mo because you know kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan mo in the past. This is a card of gratitude for you para hindi ka mawala ng focus sa mga bagay na mas importante din in the near future, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy of the King of Wands here, King of Wands is, like I said, focus. Focus on the vision of the future that you want to create. Parang sabi daw, be the leader of your life. You need to be decisive. You need to be wise din. Dapat maging strategic ka. Maging tawag dito, maging parang maging wise ka in a sense na parang sigurista ka. Yan, maging sigurista ka daw sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Ito naka-apekto dito with the 10 of Wands. Parang may clear vision ka na parang, bakit ba ako nagkasayang dito? Bakit ba ako naglalaan ng maraming effort dito sa isang bagay na hindi pala kapakipakinabang sa akin? Dapat nag-focus ako sa better things. Nag-focus ako sa bigger goals. For some, nakita ko dito na kaya kayod ka ng kayod because nakita mo yung halaga. Siguro gusto mo magpatayo ng bahay, gusto mo makabili ng ganitong property, gusto mo pag-aral ang mga anak mo sa school, kaya kayod ka ng kayod. Because nakita mo na ito yung bagay na para sa'yo. Pero ngayon, talagang pilit mo kinakalma ang sarili mo because pagod ka na hirap ka na for something. At some point, nawawalan ka na rin ng vision kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mo. And now, your spirit guides are telling you, don't lose the focus, okay? With the help of 8 of Wands here, don't lose focus on the vision that you want to create kasi malapit ka na daw. Especially here dito with the 10 of Wands, malapit ka na daw sa end of the struggle, malapit ka na sa end of hardship. Kaya ilaban mo yan, isugod mo yung bagay na gusto mo, and don't lose the vision of the future that you want to create, okay? Be the leader of your life. Ang leader hindi sumusuko. Ang leader, laban siya, sugod laban. Pero sigurista siya eh. Titimbangin niya muna para tama yung step niya moving forward. Okay? The King of Wands being clarified by the 7 of Wands. Yes, time to defend yourself. Time to prove yourself. Time to para patunayan na kaya mong lagpasan, kaya mong mag-focus, kaya mong diretso kahit magulo, kahit unclear, kahit unsure. Sign of Wands is telling you, yes, defend yourself. Prove to them na itong pinili mong landas, na itong pinili mong desisyon, na itong pinili mong outcome, ito talaga yung para sa'yo. At ito yung paninindigan mo. It's all about you trying to prove also to yourself na tama nga lahat ng direksyon na tama lahat ng pinili mo, na tama itong bagay na binubuo mo. Okay? Ito yung panahon para to stand tall and defend yourself and ang tawag ito parang, yes, maraming tao sa paligid na parang mamatahin ka o tataas ka ng kilay or they are trying to criticize you, scrutinize you, pero ikaw ito, standing tall, talagang proving to them that ito yung tamang gawin, ito yung tamang landas for you. Okay, especially here, in the near future, napakaganda, you have the 6 of Swords. 6 of Swords, going to calmer waters, going to reaching that place kung saan parang yes, na-realize mo na worth it ang lahat. Ito mga dinaanan mong to, marirealize mo worth it ang lahat. Worth it ang lahat ng ginawa mo, lahat ng pagsusumikap mo, yung pagiging grateful mo sa buhay, tapos nilaban mo pa rin yung gusto mo, yung satisfaction and contentment in your heart na parang gagawin ko yung kung saan ako masaya, nilaban mo yun. Ito, maraming nag-criticize sa'yo, maraming humaharang sa'yo, pero you have defended yourself. You have proven yourself to them. And then here, you are now reaching the calmer waters of your life. Leveling up ito. Ibig sabihin, leveling up, getting that job, getting that opportunity, promotion even, getting that house, getting that negosyo, mahatayo mo na yan. So parang patungo ka na sa katahimikan, calmer water of your life. Congratulations. The Six of Swords being clarified by the Ten of Wands. Yes, dalawang beses lumabas ng 10, clarifying na talagang end na talaga to ng isang cycle ng buhay mo. Kung nakaraan, parang pagod na pagod, hirap na hirap, hindi mo alam kung kailan to matatapos, para saan ka ba nagpapagod, ganyan, parang hindi mo nakakayanin. Pero since here, with the near future, talaga naman patungo ka na sa success ng your life mo. Patungo ka na dun sa katiwasayan ng buhay. Kaya ilaban mo na yan. The end is here, the end of struggle is here, at matatapos ang mapuputol na yan. I'm hearing na kung dati hirap na hirap ka na sa trabahong to, sobrang toxic, sobrang unfair, nakita ko na you're now heading to a place where wala nang hardship, wala nang bigat, wala nang sama ng loob, walang bigat ang damdamin, wala nang unfair treatment, at talagang matiwasay na ang lahat moving forward. So congratulations, Sagittarius. In the area of your challenge this week, June 16 to 22, ang challenge sa'yo ay panindigan yung bagay na sisimulan mo. This is like a very, very mahirap na bagay na parang hindi mo na alam kung kakayanin mo pa ba. Pero ngayon ang challenge talaga sa'yo ay paninindigan sa'yo. Parang just do it. Don't stop. Don't quit. Just fight for it. Kung malinaw sa'yo ang patutunguhan ng bagay na yan, ng pinaghihirapan mo, halimbawa, pinipilahan mo yung job na yan, pila ka ng pila everyday, may training ka na, tapos interview after interview after interview, parang feeling mo mag-quit ka na, feeling mo hindi to para sa'yo, hirap na hirap ka na ganyan. So, parang challenge sa'yo is kapit ka pa dun, huwag kang bumitaw, focus on the goal, focus on the outcome that you want to have, and set foot. Okay, we have a clear vision kung para saan ba to, para saan yan, ano yung vision mo ng outcome nito. Pag malinaw sa isip mo yun, kaya mo tong panindigan, hindi ka mag-quit. So now is the right time for you to tell yourself, I will not quit, I will not stop, paninindigan ko to, gagawin ko to. Okay, that is your challenge. The King of Swords being clarified by the Three of Cups. Yes, do you want to celebrate this? Do you want to have fun with this? Gusto mo bang magtagumpay dito? With the Three of Cups, parang harvest to. Gusto mo bang i-harvest ang good result nito? So don't stop. Okay? Yun ang challenge sa'yo. Kung nakikita mo na parang, yes, gusto ko magtagumpay dito, gusto kong makuha yung magandang resulta nito. Kung super result-oriented ka, Sagittarius, kailangan mo tong panindigan. Don't stop. Okay? Huwag ka mawawaglit. Huwag mo i-compromise yung performance mo. Have a very consistent performance, a consistent effort para makuha mo tong harvest time na to. Okay? Nakita ko rin dito na parang huwag ka munang tumanggap ng mga echeburecheng sideline from other people and madidistract ka. There's no time for distraction this time. Okay? Focus and magkaroon ka ng paninindigan on this. Commit on this. Okay? Have your clear commitment on this one. In the area of your fortune, you have the Four of Wands. Yes, you're now reaching a milestone. Bagong era to, bagong yugto ng buhay mo. Okay? Meron ka makukuhang good news this time, Sagittarius, about something, about a certain job offer. Ayan na yung yes. Kung tinatanong ka ngayon, Sagittarius, this is a yes card. Okay? Yes, ang sagot nito ang Four of Wands. So, kung meron kayo hinihintay na parang proposal, ayan na. Kung may hinihintay kang approval, ayan na. Because Four of Wands is a solidifying foundation ito, foundation of something. For the home, ayan na yung approval, mabibili na yung bahay, mabibenta na yung bahay, mabibenta na yung property, gagraduate na yung anak, approve yung anak sa isang exam for a certain university, ganyan. Yung in-examan mo na licensure exam, ito na yung confirmation na yes, yes, yes. You're reaching the end point kung saan celebration ang bunga o celebration ang mangyayari. So congratulations, you are now reaching a milestone in your life, bagong yugto. Talaga namang, I'm saying ribbon cutting. If this is all about a negosyo, ribbon cutting is inevitable. Andyan yung ribbon cutting for you. So congratulations. Meron kang sisimulan na bagay at meron ka ring iiwanan na bagay. So parang leveling up a milestone in your life. Congratulations. The Four of Wands being clarified by the Justice card. Yes, ito yung pinagkait sa'yo in the past. Parang ito yung good karma for you. Lahat ng pinagkait, lahat ng feeling mo unfair. Like I said, parang may unfair kanina eh. Parang feeling mo unfair yung mga bagay-bagay. And now, ngayon, you're reaping the good harvest. Yes, dalawang beses lumabas yung harvest card. Reaping the good harvest for something na pinaghirapan mo before. Something na parang feeling mo unfair. If some of you ay merong usaping legal, usaping mana, usaping legal papers, documents, na ngayon, magkakaroon na yan ng magandang resulta in favor of you. Kaya makapagsimula ka na ng bagong buhay. For some, merong pipirmahan because Justice card is also a card of contract. May pipirmahan kang contract about something. Ayan na, bahay, lupa, property, negosyo, ayan. So make sure this time have a celebration because the contract is here, paving the way for your financial stability for you and your family. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, ito ang payo sa'yo ng spirit guides mo. Magkaroon ka daw muna ng focus this time because ang dami mong gustong gawin. Ang dami mong imaginations or vision or fantasy na gustong gawin, gustong simulan, gustong abatin, gustong puntahan. Pwedeng going to Japan, going to this, going to there, bibili ako ng ganitong gamit, bibili ako ng ganyan, bibili ako ng ganito, gusto ko mag-apply doon, gusto ko maabot yun, ganyan. So ang dami. Ang daming gustong abutin to the point na wala kang sinisimulan. Okay? It's all fantasy. Kailangan mo daw siyang dalhin into your reality. Ang payo na yung spirit guides, focus first on one thing. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin to lahat at the same time. Mapagod ka, ma-burnout ka, ma-overwhelm ka, baka hindi mo ituloy. So make sure this time around, focus first on one thing. Pag na-accomplish mo na yung one, saka ka lumipat sa isa. So, make sure na one at a time. Okay? The 7 of Cups is being clarified by the Knight of Pentacles, yes. Knight of Pentacles all about clear planning, precise planning, a meticulous planning about something. So, hindi mo daw ma-achieve itong mga dreams, fantasy mo kung wala kang concrete plan. At magkakaroon ka lang ng concrete plan kapag nag-focus ka sa isa. So, make sure kung ano man itong balak mong simulan, isa lang muna. Kung ano lang yung pinaka gusto mong simulan ngayon. At dapat yan ay practical approach. Okay, Sagittarius, practical in a sense that it should be attainable, it should be doable now. Yung first step mo, kaya mo siyang gawin now. Okay? So make sure, pagplanuhan, be practical, everything should be doable, reachable, attainable now. Okay? Focus ka muna sa isa daw. Okay? Yung outcome mo, ano kaya yan? Very intriguing. But first, let's have additional messages from the divine. Ano yung karagdagan nilang payo sa'yo na makatulong sa'yo moving forward, especially in the achievement of what you want. Okay? Basta ang mahalaga, hardship is over. Patapos na tong hardship na to, nagiging at peace ka na with a lot. At patungo ka na sa calmer waters. Okay? So, let's see. Ano additional messages? First, you have bird perched, waiting for news. Like I said, waiting for news, package, and letter. May darating talaga sa'yong good news this time. Congratulations. Another message, you have hammock, taking a vacation physically or mentally. Yes, kailangan mo talaga magbakasyon with the 3 of Cups here. Harvest time, celebration, party. Magpunta ka daw muna doon para maging malinis ang iyong isip, hindi ka kayod ng kayod, okay? Another message, you have October. Importante po ba sa inyo ang buwan na October? May hinihintay ka ba sa buwan na October? There is a confirmation that yes, may magandang bagay na darating sa iyo sa buwan na October. Another message, you have V for victory. Congratulations. Victory in some endeavor. Another message, November. November, especially sa birthday mo, Sagittarius. October and November, may good news and victory ka daw na dapat asahan. Congratulations. Another message para sa inyo mula sa inyong spirit guides. First, you have tortoise, slowly but surely getting ahead. Yes, hinay-hinay lang daw, relax and it will be yours. Pero talagang may darating sa iyo na mabilis na this time. Kaya I'm hearing na wag kang pagpatumpik-tumpik, okay? Another message, you have April. October, November, and April. Meron daw mga halagang sigurong months yan for you o milestone for you at tabayanan mo because something is gonna happen to you. A chain of events on April, November, and October. Another message, you have bag. Something important such as a new job or a raise. Yes, meron ka daw bagong trabaho o pag-aumento sa sahod. Like I've said, meron ka talagang milestone na maabot or a raise or a new opportunity in your life. Another message, pin, new job or career. Pabang confirmation yan. 2 beses lumabas. May good news kang darating, a new information na bibigay sa inyo new job or new opportunity or new career. Another message, you have grasshopper, situations in the balance that require careful handling. So, 2 lumabas dito, slowly but surely and also careful handling. Meron daw aspeto sa buhay mo, Sagittarius, sa kailangan mong buhasiin ng mabuti na hindi mo minamadali. Okay? Very, very profound para sa'yo. Probably papers, relationship, pag-uusap, o kaya your documents. Kailangan daw dahan-dahan at wag mo mamadaliin. Probably your decision too. So ito ang kailangan pag-focusan this time, Sagittarius, mga 3 bagay na guideposts and guidelines na kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin this week bilang iyong gabay moving forward. Unang-una, you have growth. Yes, walang growth kung hindi ka hahakbang sa bago. The hardship will end at ito na yung growth na hinahangad mo. Another message, you have judgment. Yes, ngayon, parang iwaksi mo yung paghuhusga mo sa sarili mo, sa development ng buhay mo, yung resulta, dapat hindi mo masyadong hinuhusgahan, parang, dapat abot ko dun, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. So just go, let it flow, let it go. Don't control things. Remove the judgment sa bawat hakbang, okay? Another message, abundance. Wow, abundance is here, kaya relax ka lang. Good news is coming sa isang aspeto ng buhay mo and it will flow in your life. Growth, may pag-abante ka daw, may pag-asenso, may pag-andar. Judgment, remove judgment in every step that you do. Huwag mo masyadong husgahan ang sarili mo. Huwag mo masyadong bigyan ng additional pressure ang sarili mo moving forward. Abundance is guaranteed in your life. Okay? So Sagittarius, anong outcome mo this time? So, ito, before natin basahin ang outcome mo, paalala ko lang, you have an additional one bonus question for you at the end of this outcome. So, stay tuned. Abangan mo, sasagutin natin yung question mo this time. So, ang outcome mo this June 16 to 22 is, wow, 5 of Pentacles, getting out of a struggle this time. So ito mga nakaraang buwan, nakaraang linggo, hirap na hirap ka sa pera, hirap na hirap ka kung paano masosolusyonan tong ganito. Siguro may problema sa bahay, hindi mo pa-renovate, may problema sa anak, siguro may sakit ka ngayon, o kaya parang feeling mo no one is helping you. So asahan mo, Sagittarius, there is a quick movement. May mabilis na pag-andar sa buhay mo away from the struggle, away from this pain. Nakita ko may paggaan. Good news is coming. You're on the right direction. Kaya kung may balak kang simulan, away from a struggle, may balak kang simulan ng negosyo siguro, o kaya kaperahan, sideline, gawin mo na yan. Because yan ang magbibigay sa iyo ng daan para makawala ka sa struggle na ito. Financial struggle, painful body aches, o kaya parang feeling mo you're alone, walang tumutulong sa'yo. Ngayon, assistance is coming. May tutulong sa'yo, may papahiram sa'yo ng pera, meron sa'yo magbibigay ng assistance or help or guidance or tulong or advice na parang, uy, Sagittarius, pwede mong gawin to. Ikaw naman, kakaroon ka ng lakas sa loob na, oo nga no, pwede kong gawin yan. So, makakawala ka na sa kumunoy, makakawala ka na sa hardship na ito. So, congratulations. The 5 of Pentacles being clarified by the 5 of Swords. Yes, 5-5 is change. 5-5 is change. Something is changing in your life. Talagang hardship is over. Good news is coming. May realize mo na worth it ang lahat. Lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, lahat ng nangyari, worth it. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong solution out of something. Sabi dito, gamitin mo daw lahat ng experiences mo in the past. Makakatulong daw yan sa bago mong sisimulan. At magkakaroon ka ng clear path away from toxic people, away from the pain. For others, I'm seeing here, you're gonna win. Meron ka bang sinalihan ng contest, competition, laban, o sa industriya mo, very competitive? There's a confirmation na yes, you're gonna win that. Meron ka bang papanulunan this time? At maiisip mo na yes, worth it ang pagod, worth it ang away, worth it ang gulo, worth it ang drama, worth it ang pag-google ko ng oras or paggapang ko sa bagay na to. Itong pinaghirapan mo to, worth it ito, and you're gonna win this. Winning in life away from hardship. Congratulations, Sagittarius. That is your June 16 reading, Sagittarius. Sa po kayo nakarelate, sa po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below. And I'll be reading your messages. But first, huwag ka muna aalis. We have this one bonus question para sa inyo. So pumikit ka na ngayon, meditate. Remove everything in your mind. Isipin mo muna yung question mo this time. So bibigyan kita ng oras para mag-isip. So isipin mo na ngayon kung ano yung question mo. One solid question na gusto mong masagot. So Spirit Guides, ibigay natin kay Sagittarius kung ano ang kalinawan at sagot sa anumang question niya for today. So I'm giving you 1 card, 2 cards, and 2 oracle cards for your angel whisper. Okay? Ano kaya ang sagot from your Spirit Guides, from your angel guides sa iyong tanong this time? You have 1 and you have 2. Okay? So buksan na natin, you have the Page of Wands, yes, and 8 of Wands. Kung may question ka about yes or no, yes ang sagot, okay? You have forgiveness and you have choose a new direction. Yes, a new path talaga ito. Wow. Yung kanina tapos ng hardship, yung sa question mo this time, something new is gonna come to you, Sagittarius. New job, new opportunity, new person, kung ito man yung love life ang tanong mo, something new talaga, magiging excited ka, okay? You're on the right path. Meron pasok sa buhay mo na a new beginning, new job, new balita, bagong balita, good news ito ha. Talaga mag-focus ka dito, magiging excited kasi parang yes, this time ito na yun. Ito na yun, ibibigay na sa'yo, pagkakaloob na sa'yo. Kaya congratulations. Nakita ko rin dito, sabi ng Spirit Guides with your angel guides, nagabay, sabi niya, forgiveness, magkaroon ka daw ng, parang bigyan mo na ng awa o bigyan mo na ng forgiveness sa sarili mo. Patawarin mo na ang sarili mo sa mga past mistakes, past heartaches, mga past regrets mo, yung mga bagay na hindi natupad, mga bagay na hindi nangyari, patawarin mo ang sarili mo doon. Patawarin mo na rin yung ibang tao na gawa ng bagay na yun sa'yo kaya parang ang daming failure before. Now, choose a new direction. Meron ka na daw bagong landas at ito yun. With the Page of Wands and the Eight of Wands. Sabi niya, magkakaroon ka ng something new in your life at ito magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong direksyon sa bagong buhay mo, entering a new abundant life for you. So, ang sagot sa mga tanong mo ngayon, yes, you will have that. Yes, you will achieve it. Yes, it's yours. Yes, ang mga bagay na tanong mo, yes, ang sagot, magsasaya ka next time. Magsasaya ka, mag-celebrate ka, and it is abundantly lucky time for you, Sagittarius. Hopefully, nasagot ko po ang tanong nyo. Entering an abundant life, a new direction, bagong simula talaga to for you, Sagittarius. Okay? Hopefully, nasagot ko po ang inyong one question this time. Thank you for watching hanggang dulo. This has been James for James Sario PH. God bless everybody.